What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a tempered glass screen protector for the Oneplus 6T. Now this screen protector, I was going to install it on the Oneplus 6T, but I'm not quite going to do it. It is called MyBat full cover tempered glass screen protector for the Oneplus 6T. I did pick this up on Amazon, and let me see how much I paid for it, because I am gonna be returning it because I don't think it's a good screen protector at all. So I paid about $5.30. It's not full adhesive like these right here, so I'm thinking the fingerprint sensor is not gonna work. If you go ahead and open it, you do have that dot matrix effect. I don't know if you can kind of see it. You do have that dot matrix effect in the middle, so this means that the adhesive is only applied to the edges. Now typically those kind of screen protectors suck, and especially with this one having the in-display fingerprint sensor, I don't want to take the risk that those dot matrix effect is going to interfere with your thumb there. I forgot which thumb I had registered. So you see this one opens right away. It's good. I don't think this is going to work with that, so therefore I'm not going to install it, and I do not recommend this one. I do not recommend you pick this one up. Again, this is MyBat full cover tempered glass screen protector from Amazon. It's about, like I mentioned, $5.30, so you don't want to pick this one up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.